Now I've had the time of my life, and I owe it all to you.
Won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need.
All of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Don't know much about history, don't know much of biology, but I know that if you love me too, what a wonderful world this would be.
At first I was afraid, I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. Rolling out doors, walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. You once tried to break me, I think I crumble. Did you think I lay down and die? You know I was so fine. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, I've got all my love to give. I will survive, I will survive.
All this happy tonight, but why can't you think about my baby? It don't matter if you're black or white. It's black, it's white. Come on, it's tough for you to get back. It's black, it's white. It's tough for you to get back. Yeah, yeah.
And now it's time for a breakdown.
Never gon' get it, 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 bum, 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 bum. Never gon' get it, 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 never get it. Free your mind and the rest will follow. Be colorblind, don't be so shallow. Free your mind. Whoa, there've been times when I thought I wouldn't last for long, but now I think I'm able